Hello friends, I'm back with yet another episode on steps for creating a blog. Now why blogging? Blogging trends on Google search. Internet users in India would rise by 59% by 2021. There are many platforms that provides you the chance or the opportunity to create blogs. Here are some examples of the platforms that help you the opportunity to create a blog. So the first one is the bloggers.com, wix.com, medium.com, weebly.com and wordpress.com, which is the most common platform for creating the blogs and the websites. So let's understand the steps for starting a blog or creating a blog. First and foremost is provide a creative name to the blog. Always think of a name which is easily remarkable, that can be easily recalled for a blog name, and that suits the content of the blog as well. Next step is buy a domain and get hostings for your blog. Third point is install a WordPress. That is important for running a blog. Pick a perfect WordPress theme or a template. Once the blog is the WordPress installed, once you have got the blog link, next is to provide a perfect WordPress theme to the blog. Customize the settings. After selecting a theme, you have to customize it. And customizing a theme, the settings means, or customizing the theme means that you are basically providing aesthetics to your blog with the sidebars, and then with selecting a background and inserting the logo to your blog. Step next is add some WordPress plugins and add-ons, which will be discussed in the later videos. But for so now, plugins are basically the add-on features that are provided to the WordPress. Launch your blog and start sharing your voice with the world. Now we're going to see an example of creating a blog on a WordPress.com. So when you type WordPress.com onto the URL page, you are going to get the WordPress.com, and this is the page that you're going to open. So once you do this, and there's going to be start your website, this is where you're going to click. So once you have clicked here at start your website, it will take you to another page that will ask you for the email address, the username and the password. So once you have logged in everything into it, for example, the way I'm doing it for you right now, that is, I'm just typing an email address for you, and I'll be selecting a username and a password. And after logging into this, so it will take me to another page that will ask for the whether I want to save it or not. So you say save in case you want to. So it will take me to this page that asks you for the domain that you want to provide to your blog, right? That what sort of a domain that you want to provide. So you type whatever domain, and they will provide you different options. So make sure, my friends, here basically I'm telling you how to operate a free blog right now, because we are at a learning stage. So I'm just asking you how to create a free blog. So as you can see that all the blogs underneath, though initially are free, but after that you have to renew them at a particular cost. So this is the only one which is available right now, that is Logical Girl, and it's mentioned free here, right? So you select it that ways. So once it is done, so you select this, right, and you move to this page. It will take you to this page, and then you have to go ahead with asking start with a free website after you have decided what's the link. So once you've clicked onto the option start with a free website, it will take to the other page. As you can see, the website will be shortly ready. So this is a sort of a dashboard that you would get once you open the your blog. Once you have selected the email address in the blog, this is sort of a dashboard. And as you can see now, this at the sidebar there are various options that you can see, okay, and this is the site right now. As you can see, the URL has the logical girl a number.wordpress.com. So right now this is the position of your blog, right? And as you can see that side, on the left hand side, there are many options, right, that you can use. Further on we'll be discussing into other videos, right, like how you can use this the function of the each button, right, what are sites and pages and posts, how to go about it, and the media and the designs and the customizations, right, themes. So themes are basically your homepage outlook, how your homepage would look, right? So I hope you understand. Now this is just the basic understanding. So for any other further queries and details, and I'm sure, I hope because we are talking from the basics, you are liking what I have been sharing with my friends. So share your feedback at kalia.kitanjali@gmail.com, or you can check out another videos